So, how much did YouTube pay me for just 48,000 views on this hobby channel that I've created? Let's take a look. But before we do that, I'm just going to quickly say this channel is going to be about the journey for myself quitting my job in 2027. There's a figure in mind which I want to do per month, which is not that high. And once I've hit that, I'm going to quit my job. And the full journey is going to be on this YouTube channel. Everything I learn, everything I've learned already from making content on other platforms as well. Collectively, that pot of revenue, I am going to quit my job in 2027, but it's going to take a lot of hard work and it's all going to be on this channel. So if you've got similar plans, please consider subscribing because we're in this together as small creators. Let's take a look at this video. So you can see this video is just a simple tutorial to paint RC car body shells, just something I'm into, a hobby that I wanted to monetize. If you can make money from the thing you love, then why not? So it's had 48,300 views. It's had 3,800 watch hours over the course of the video, its time. It's gained me 355 subscribers. Reach or impressions, which is how many times YouTube has surfaced that video to people, is 640,000. So I'm really, really happy with that. That's a good amount of people, and of which 5.1% have actually clicked the video. So that is my click-through rate. Now, just before we have a look at how much this video is made, it's good to note, if you don't know already, that YouTube pays a different amount of money per 1,000 views. So YouTube has paid me roughly £3.23 per 1,000 views, which is fairly low, or that's roughly $4.50 for anyone from the US watching this channel. As I've just mentioned, that does vary greatly dependent on which niche you are in. If you are in digital marketing or finance, for example, that can be much higher. So CPM is what YouTube gets paid from the advertisers. We then get a 55% roughly split from that, which then gives us how much we are paid. RPM, I try to remember that as R, as hour, mine. That's just how I remember it. That is what we get paid from that video, which is roughly 45%, give or take, of the cut from the video. So you can see here that we've made £156.31, or just over $200 for this video, which I think is really, really good. Because you've got to remember, this video has been out for about a year now, but it's been building, it gets views every single day. This is one of the videos on the channel that just builds daily. And in my mind, the more videos that I've put out, the more I'm going to have on a daily basis. 50 videos doing 100 views a day. Initially, that doesn't sound a lot, but then when you look at collectively what that could bring in per day, it's quite interesting. Evergreen content, it's searchable, and it's going to be on the platform for life. That's where my mind goes with this. So if you've made it this far, guys, please consider subscribing. And the reason is, I'm going to go on to a journey and I hope you enjoy it and come along with me. I am desperate to quit my job in 2027. I cannot work a 9 to 5 anymore, working on someone else's dream. It's now time to work on our dream, your dream, my dream, creating content, and that lifestyle just really appeals to me, and I love making content. Everything I learn is going to be on this channel. All the good, all the bad, from YouTube, TikTok, and other platforms, it's all going to be right here. And I'd love to know your opinions and feedback on certain things and how well you're doing in your journey. So comment below, subscribe to the channel. I think it's going to be a good one, and I can't wait to make the next video. And yeah, let's do this. Let's quit our jobs, or let's just build a really good side income that we can enjoy. And let's do it right. See you soon.